Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to present the results of our research entitled Math Learning Module Model to Stimulate Critical Thinking Skills for Elementary School Students. My name is Ika Lestari. I'm a member of our group, and in this presentation, I will discuss four things as requested by the committee, namely the introduction, method, results and discussion, and conclusion. This research is caused by the results of themes which illustrate that mathematics thinking skill in Indonesia are still not developed comprehensively. We can see in the table the results of teams in 2015. The average performance Indonesian students math skill are ranked 44 from 49 countries with an Indonesia's average score of 397 points. Teams measures cognitive domains such as knowledge, application, and reasoning. Reasoning is needed in students' critical thinking skill, mathematical, especially for problem solving, because reasoning is part of thinking critical. That is, if students' power of reasoning is good, then the ability to think critically students can be said to be good too. Although team's results indicates that students' critical thinking skills are also low. Students have not been guided and directed to think critically, but still emphasize learning outcomes, low cognitive level. Students are always faced with routine problems. Learning like this makes students gain little experience to develop critical thinking skills. This can be seen from teaching materials used by schools. The following are examples of teaching materials used in school. We teach for one learning material that used in SDN Karawaci Baru 3, Tangerang. The teaching material used by teacher in this school are good enough, but not yet provide opportunities for students to further develop and facilitate students' critical thinking skills in finding concepts mathematics. The problems given in the teaching materials are still routine problems or are still routine questions that have not challenged the student develop critical thinking skills. Giving routine questions continuously will make students become bored and not motivating students to study mathematics. Based on this problem, this research wants to ask what is the mathematical module model that can stimulate the critical thinking skill of grade 4 elementary school students in Karawaci Baru 3, Tangerang City. The main purpose of this research was to develop a mathematical module model that can stimulate the critical skills of grade 4 elementary school students in Karawaci Baru 3, Tangerang City. These studies use research and development methods with the development model from Roundtree, model Roundtree for independent learning material. So the model, the Roundtree model in this research are used. This figure show the development model of Rowntree and explain the steps carried out in this research. Research participants were fourth grade students of SD Karawaci Baru 3 Tangerang. The research instrument used were questionnaire and critical thinking skill tests, and data analysis used like Likert scale with 4 scales for expert judgment, and critical thinking skills test using quantitative descriptive based on indicators of critical thinking skills. The results of this slide are not fully explained in this slide. The results of the study were in the form of the results of student critical thinking skills test after using the mathematics module. It can be seen that this study, so students are in the medium category for indicators of relevance, depth, and breadth. But for indicators clarity, students show that they are in the high category. In this research, have been make interpretation of critical thinking skill categories. There are five categories, yeah. Very low, medium, high, and very high. This is an example of a developed learning material. We give a name modul matematika bilangan pecahan berbasis keterampilan 4C. This module consists of learning skills for 21st century. So in this proceeding, we will select for one skill, namely critical thinking. And this is a math learning model based on the result test of critical thinking students. Mathematics learning module created focus on content, learning process, and assessment methods. In the learning content, the module does not present it with memorizing material, but rather it supports critical thinking. Memorized content is often just knowledge, although in the module there is still content in the form of memorization. For example, the vocabulary terms that exist in the glossary section, but the material is only at initial knowledge of the terms used. The focus of the module content is more on the application of the content by using questioning technique, both before the learning material, in the middle of the material, and at the end of the material. With the question requires students to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information to solve problems and make decisions rather than just repeating information such as memorizing. Critical thinking is a mental habit that must be trained in every student, because students become thinking about talks and that ultimately train students in using higher level thinking skills, not just memorizing data or accepting what they read without thinking critically about the material provided. In order to create the ability to think critically with learning material, the focus of learning must focus on the learning process. For example, such as the provision of case studies in the module. Provision of material and case study questions allow students to apply knowledge to new situation and provide a better understanding than just objective questions such as true or false or multiple choice, which only require students to identify a term with the given definition. Multiple choice question can be asked if students are assigned to identify the most correct example in applying a concept that requires more critical thinking and analysis. The mathematics learning module contains many case studies done in group because the critical thinking methods applied in group can develop relationship between children, form a set of attitudes and behavior, have communication skill, and then be able to understand the process of information transfer, train interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary. The flexibility of the method of critical thinking has proven to be effective this age, yeah, because it makes the child a small scientist who wants to continue to explore everything around him. Critical thinking involves 3 steps: evocation, building relationships with previous learning talk with new material topics, content realization, make students have an interest in new content to be studied, and then reflection, refine and increase knowledge, discussion and debates are also carried out according to the instruction in the module in the in stage for all students. Students learn to respond or respond a point of view and learn to respect the answer of the other friends. Yeah. So after the results, we can give conclusion in making mathematics learning module. Teachers should focus on 3 things, namely the process of applying content, the learning process, and evaluation, in which require tasks such as discussions, case studies, and debate to train students to be able to think with different perspectives and to link previous knowledge that has been obtained and knowledge. Thank you for giving me to presentation, and bye-bye.